AI, programming, and consciousness. Is all of that related? We can say that programming is the study and the practice of how we can create algorithms to perform certain tasks. For example, we want to count the number of clients to receive service in some shopping, for example, in some store. Like there are the tickets that each client has to take to order a dish in a restaurant, in a shopping, and there was developed an algorithm to generate a number according to a certain set of rules, and depending on how much money the client will put to buy what he wants to eat and how many customers there are, the algorithm will dictate to the number that is being shown in the screen to behave in a certain way. So an algorithm is basically a set of rules that operate in a certain way and that perform certain actions, and all of that is intended and is developed according to the business interest of the entrepreneur that hired a freelancer programmer or a company or a software company to develop a certain software to respond to his business need, be it an algorithm to dictate the customer's order in a restaurant, in a shopping mall, or be it a software, security software in a bank, for example. Consciousness, on the other hand, is the ability to be aware of oneself and to be able to catch patterns in the environment around. For example, Guido van Rossum, Python's creator, does not see consciousness as a thing that or you have or don't have it, in the sense that it's an absolute thing. We humans are conscious of ourselves and we are able to see in the environment around patterns and to act based upon this knowledge. For example, we can see that making certain actions, taking certain objects and using them together, we can cook certain dishes. In the same way that an animal can see that there were certain signs and then there is a great chance to be a threat around, where a cat can see that there were certain evidences that there is a mouse around, and then it can go and prepare itself to hunt the mouse and have its meal. Consciousness then would be the skill, the ability to be aware of oneself and the world around, and to act based upon this knowledge. And then there would be many layers, many levels of consciousness. There can be animal consciousness,